Coming to the next topic, that is mutations. Mutations, you might have heard this word in class 10th. It is a process that brings about a change in the genetic material. So it is a phenomena which results in alteration of DNA sequences and consequently results in changes in the genotype and phenotype of an organism. So there may be the factor, it can happen because of anything, because of some environmental changes or some problems inside the body, or anything can happen because of which there would be a sudden change in the DNA sequence. DNA sequence and all you will be studying in next chapter. So there like adenine, guanine, cytosine, and thymine, all these are the adenosine sequences, and there is a particular way in which they are arranged. If there is a sudden change in that sequence, that results in mutation. So it leads to variation in DNA. Now, what are the causes of mutation? Those causes, they are called mutagens. External factors, they may be the radiations, chemicals, smoking. And internal factors, DNA replication errors, changes in DNA sequence, alteration in chromosomes, loss or gain of a segment of DNA results in alteration of chromosomes. Alteration in genes result in alteration in chromosomes that result in abnormalities or aberrations. We will be studying these abnormalities later in this chapter. Chromosomal aberrations are observed in cancer cells. So all these are the different ways in which the mutation or the causes of mutation. Now the types of mutation are of two types: point mutation and frame mutation. Point mutation means when mutation arises due to change in single base pair of DNA. A single base pair of DNA, base pair adenine, guanine, I told you adenine. So adenine links with thymine. So if there is a change in this base pairing, or cytosine and guanine, if there is a change in this pairing, that is called point mutation. At that particular point the change is taking place. Whereas frame mutation means deletion and insertion of base pairs of DNA. So if there is any deletion or insertion of these base pairs, adenine, guanine, or cytosine, thymine, if there is any deletion or insertion extra, then it is called frame mutation. So that is the difference between point mutation or frame mutation. Now in the next lesson we'll be studying the genetic disorders.